I really just broke my cymbal. Let's see if this tried and true method of repairing cracked cymbals can bring this one back to life. I sure hope so. This 20-inch Oriental Crash of Doom from Zildjian is my favorite cymbal. It has been for a long time, and I played it to death, literally. I remember that there was this one point where I realized it was cracked because I could tell that it was moving differently. You know, this thing normally had a lot of sustain, a lot of like a dark tone to it. It was kind of dry. And then one day I hit it and it just sustained, it died instantly. And I realized there was a big crack in it. So somebody told me to take a drill and drill a hole at the very end of the crack and then cut with like tin snips or something up to where I drilled so that the pieces aren't touching, and then the cymbal can vibrate as much as it wants without canceling itself out when it touches. Something to that effect, at least. So I did it, and it lasted a while. It really brought it back to life. I was excited. I was playing it constantly. And then one day, a big chip just popped right off, landed in my lap, and it just started to crack more and more and more until it just had no sound anymore and it was dead. So, like I said, I can still play the bell a little bit. You know, that's not so bad. But everything else is kind of dull and dead. Now, I'm not all that into like real trashy cymbals and a lot of effect cymbals like some people are. I miss how much this filled my sound. So I went online looking at a bunch of different drum things, and I came across something that had to do with actually a method to repair this that sounds a lot more tried and true, a lot more success with this kind of method. And the idea is you get yourself a Sharpie and you go around the cymbal and you find every single crack. And as you're going around the cymbal, you put a little dot at the farthest point of the crack closest to the bell. Then you trace in a nice, smooth, swooping line all the way around outside of those dots that you just placed from the cracks. Then you take yourself a Dremel cutting device. Make sure that these things are talking about cutting metal and not plastic or wood or anything like that. Be safe, do your homework. Get some safety gear and cut along that line until you've removed all of the pieces of cracks. Then grind it back down and polish it so you have a nice clean edge like these other cymbals have. And the idea is it's supposed to bring it back to life to some degree. I bet there's going to be something that's different about it. It won't sound completely the same. I'll compare it to Zildjian's website to see how much I lost, because I have to remove all of this. That's a lot of cymbal to lose. But this is a little project I've wanted to work on now that I'm bringing my drum set back to life, changing all the drum heads, and really trying to bring back my sound. What I had when I used to record constantly with my band and play lots of gigs, things like that. So when I was still playing. I love the way my drums sound, but I haven't touched them in years. And I want to bring it all back together. So I'm going to start with this cymbal because this seems interesting. And this is my favorite piece of the drum set. And I've been without it for too long. So time to find out if this actually works. The cutting's done. Now it's a matter of cleaning up all the edges, getting rid of some of the marker and other stray lines that I have. And according to this method, it should be a functioning cymbal again. So I think we just have to put it to the test. Let's play it and see if it sounds like it used to. So. That's how I remember it. The sustain was just wonderful. It just could go on forever. I think we did it. I think that this method is for real. And I would recommend to other drummers that if they really can't afford to be replacing cymbals, and not many of us can, follow safety precautions and try to fix it this way. Smooth edges. That's what matters. Don't drill and cut out. You want to cut around where the cracks are. It works. All right, thank you. I'll catch you next time. Oh, are you still here? It's over. I cut the stuff. It sounds great. I'm happy. Go do what you do when you're not watching my channel. Well, before you go, I don't like to ask this ever, but if you comment, like, and subscribe, and then more people comment, like, and subscribe, more people will find out about the videos, and more people can enjoy this for entertainment or education or anything else in between, I guess. I'd appreciate it. If not, it's your prerogative, but have a good day. Bye. My favorite crash cymbal ever. Thank you. This 20-inch Oriental Crash of Doom cymbal from Zildjian is my favorite cymbal. Seriously? Well, that's fun. Oops. I'm not trying to record.